Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn ratio and proportion together, step by step. A ratio compares two quantities of the same kind. We'll simplify ratios, recognize proportions, and use the unitary method to solve problems. The ratio of A to B, written A:B, compares them by division. Simplify it just like a fraction by dividing both parts by their common factor. The ratio 12 to 8 simplifies by dividing both parts by 4, giving 3 to 2. When two ratios are equal, they form a proportion. A useful check. The product of the outer terms equals the product of the inner terms. 5 pens cost 100 rupees. By the unitary method, 1 pen is 20 rupees. So 8 pens cost 8 times 20, 160 rupees. To recap, a ratio compares by division and simplifies like a fraction. Equal ratios form a proportion, and the unitary method finds one unit, then scales up. That completes Class 6 Maths. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.